Rainbow colors never really fade. They just wait for someone to look again. Before I knew your names as Mom and Dad, you were just two kids trying to figure life out, smiling like tomorrow already belonged to you. That little girl between your arms thought the whole world had always looked this way. She never knew she was standing inside your youth. One old photograph, one frozen afternoon, and suddenly time begins to move again. Young hearts, little me, I never noticed how young you used to be. I grew up inside your unfinished summers, while you were quietly learning how to become us. Your jackets, your hair, the way you looked at each other, not like parents, just two people still making plans. Now I'm older than you were inside this picture. Funny how a photograph can change its story. If I could step through that little frame, I'd tell you you don't have to know everything. She'll laugh, she'll cry, she'll grow up just fine. And one day she'll find this picture and finally see you. Young hearts, little me, time kept moving, this picture stayed. Love didn't look perfect, love didn't look certain, it simply looked young. Thank you for sharing your youth with me.